In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a team in ClickUp. If you're organizing work across different groups of people, creating a team is a great way to keep permissions, notifications, and collaboration clean and simple. I'll walk you through exactly where to click, what to expect, and a few tips to help you set things up right the first time. First, make sure you're in the correct workspace where you want this team to live. In the top left corner of ClickUp, click your workspace name to open its menu, then choose Settings. If you're part of multiple workspaces, double-check you've selected the right one before moving on. You'll need the appropriate permission level to manage teams. If you don't see the options I'm showing, reach out to an admin to adjust your access. Once you're in Workspace Settings, look at the left-hand menu and click Teams. This is the hub where all existing teams are listed and where you can create new ones. Think of a team as a container that you can assign to spaces, lists, or tasks, making it easier to keep the right people looped in and reduce manual sharing. Now let's create your team. Click the option to create a new team, usually labeled with a plus sign, and Create Team. You'll be prompted to enter a team name. Choose something clear and specific, like marketing, product design, or finance. Consistent naming makes it easy for everyone to recognize who the team represents. If you see an optional description field, use it to clarify the team's purpose, but the name alone is enough to proceed. Next, add your team members. You can search for people by name and select anyone who should be part of this team. Include the core group who will regularly collaborate and need shared access to relevant spaces and tasks. If you can't find someone, usually means they aren't part of the workspace yet. In that case, you may need an admin to add them to the workspace before they can be added to the team. You can always edit the team later to add or remove people as your organization changes. When everything looks good, click Create or Save to finalize the team. You should see your new team appear in the Teams list. From here, you can use it when assigning work or adjusting permissions across your workspace, which helps streamline onboarding and keeps access consistent. And that's how you create a team in ClickUp. Quick and easy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more practical workflow tutorials.